Hello everyone, welcome. In this quick video, we will explore the choose column function in Excel, a very powerful tool to simplify your data manipulation. Imagine you have a large data set, but you only need specific columns. Instead of copying and pasting them manually, you can use the choose column function, and this is how it works. You type choose COLS, open the parentheses, now select the array from where you want to get the data, and now specify the column number. For the category, it's column number 3 in my array, so I will enter the column number 3, and then for price it's column number 4. Write the column number 4 here. For total amount it's column number 6, so write down the 6 here. And now it's column number 7 for the cities. Write down 7, close the parenthesis, press enter, and there you have it. Excel instantly extract the specified columns and making your data management efficient and hassle free. I hope you understand how to use choose column function in Excel. Thanks for watching.